Ito yes, magluto ako ng ibos, budbud, glutinous rice. Ito, na-inherit ko to sa mama ko kasi tinuruan niya ko paano magawa ng ibos. So, ang ingredients, 2 can ng cocoa milk at saka yung glutinous rice, nilagay ko na dito. Binabad ko siya dito ng tubig for 30 minutes. Tapos, yung 2 coconut milk at saka 2 cups of sugar. Ito, binili ko to na yung banana leaves. Binili ko to sa Chinese shop. Sa balutin natin. Gawin natin ng budbud. In Bisaya, ibos, suman. In Tagalog is suman. In Bisaya is Natasha, what are you doing, darling? Mommy's busy. Don't do that, darling. Yan. Like and subscribe my video, my channel. Ito. Subscribe mo ako yan. Yads. To be continued to yads sa later because kasi matagalan to. Hindi pa siya Mga yads, see you later. Binabalot ko na siya. Yads. Ganito magbalot yads. Pag may time kayo, gayahin ninyo. Saka don't forget to watch my channel, my YouTube, and like and subscribe my YouTube, my channel by Inday Leads Suman Ibos version. So, good morning at good night dito. Bye-bye, yads. See you soon. Suman. In Bisaya, Ibos budbud. By Inday Leads version. Look at this. Parang suman yung ginawa ni mama noon. Tikman natin, yads, ha? See? Pag may time kayo, yads, gayahin ninyo to. See? Feeling nasa Pinas ako. Likes and subscribes my video, my channel by Inday Leads. Sige, yads. Bye-bye for now. See you later. Kasi lalabas pa ako. Maganda yung weather today. Okay, yads. Bye for now.